Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making the Pixel 7 Pro recognize you and allow Assistant to work. First, sign into your Google account and install updates so features match what I describe. Then open Settings, go to Apps, Default Apps, and set Google as the Assist app. This ties the system gesture to Assistant. Once done, enable voice match and grant microphone, location, and activity permissions so Assistant can hear, personalize, and run contextual tasks without repeated prompts. Next, assign the power button gesture so it becomes the reliable, single method you'll use. Go to Settings, System, Gestures, then set press and hold power button to launch Google Assistant. This ensures a physical, consistent trigger. Make sure voice match is active so the Assistant responds to you specifically, and enable Hey Google if you want voice activation later. During this step, train the voice model and confirm the mic functions. Otherwise, the hold press will open Assistant, but it won't recognize your command. To use it, simply press and hold the power button and speak your command. Give navigation, send messages, control smart home devices, or run routines. Once comfortable, open Assistant settings to customize language, voice, and shortcuts so frequent tasks finish faster. If things go wrong, make sure the microphone permission is enabled and that voice match is trained. Then restart the phone and, if needed, clear the Google App Cache. This sequence fixes most issues and keeps the power button method reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.